Transportation engineering, one of the important topic is geometric design. What is called geometric design? Geometric design is the design and shaping of visible features or visible items of the road. The length of the road, width of the road, or the cross of the camber, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, curves, super elevation. All these things come under visible features of the geometries and their design. What is called design here? Arriving at the appropriate physical dimensions of any particular element is called geometric design. We are having a number of designs in the civil engineering. Structural design. What is called structural design? You are arriving at the length and breadth of the beam or arc. You are arriving at the reinforcement, which is called structural design. In the similar manner, geometric design means we are normally designing the visible features of the road, and the same thing we are staying on the ground, making use of surveying. You already know, come across surveying, shape surveying, top surveying, geodate surveying. Now all those things are mentioned. We are using only one equipment called total station. If we are using total station, we can do every surveying, change surveying, compass surveying, leveling, geodate surveying, diagnostic surveying, curve setting, whatnot. All kind of surveying we can use in total station, and we are using the total station or any other equipment, and we are putting all these things, which is called staging. We normally say. Taking the same dimensions of the ground and accordingly we will construct the roads. Why geometric design is very much important in transportation engineering? Transportation engineering means deals with the highway engineering, where the vehicles are running on the road. Railway engineering, where the locomotives or engine is normally running on two horizontal girders or lines. That is railway engineering, where the traveling is not right, that can have a diesel locomotive to drag or electrified vehicles. Similarly, the same thing we are doing in airports, where the vehicles are safely land and take off, airplanes, where we are giving all these geometries for runway strip. Soon after the vehicle, a train or a plane is land on the ground, immediately that has to come out of the runway to give the room for another vehicle either to take off or land. In order to facilitate such type of this one vehicles, immediately we are taking those vehicles from the runoff to standing some places. We are designing all such type of curves which we normally call taxiways. So, taxiways. Therefore, geometric design is very important for all type of the transportation, highway engineering, railway engineering, and airport engineering. How this particular aspect of the transportation engineering is directly related with the human life. Now everything becomes fast. We are normally moving at a very fast rate to go for office or work place or anything. While we are moving on the roads, if any defects are there on the road, in addition to road users defects, if these defects also added, severity will be more. In the road transportation or highway engineering, accidents occur because of the mistakes done by any road user. Who is road user here? A driver, a passenger, or a pedestrian. There are three kinds of road users. A driver who drives the vehicle, whether car, bike, or you can say that a truck or a tractor, any vehicle which is flying on the road that is driven by a person who is called a driver. Who is passenger? The person who is using these vehicles to mobilize or to move from one place to other place. He is called passenger. A passenger may be in car, a passenger may be in bus, or a passenger may be sometimes travel along with the goods in a lorry or truck. He is the passenger. When the person is not using either vehicle as a driver or not using as a passenger, he normally uses walking on the road. He is called a pedestrian. You all are pedestrians up to certain extent. You get down at the Abdullah Pavement. From there you are walking into the college. Yes, sir. So while you are coming up to the Abdullah Pavement junction, you are a passenger. Making use of either city car bus or you are making use of your own vehicle up to Abdullah Pavement. From Abdullah Pavement, you just alight at that particular Abdullah Pavement from any office bus or any other vehicle, and you are walking into the college on the footpath or on the road. Then you have become the pedestrian. Sometimes you people are coming in a bike. One person is driving, the other person is sitting, PNC. So the driving person is called a driver. All 24 hours or while you are coming and you are moving on the road must be very cautious. If you are not committing a mistake, if any other person is committing a mistake, that will lead to an accident. That will lead to an accident. If both the persons commit a mistake, that the accident severely may be enhanced. Normally, accidents are of three kinds. One is fatal accident, severely injured. The third one is property damage. Fatal accident. If any accident occurs on a road, even that particular victim of the accident is not taken into nearby hospital for any treatment, if he lost his life on the road itself, such accidents are called fatal accidents. There is no time to get surviving in that particular road victim. Immediately, without anything, even that particular person also don't know, does not know whether he is going to die or not. I think you might observe such type of things. Fatal accidents. The second one is severely injured. If you are met with an accident and the person victim, the victim means who is suffering from the accident is called victim. That victim is now bringing to the nearby hospital for proper treatment, such that that particular accident victim is hospitalized for some 2 months or 3 months. Till during that particular treatment period, he is not putting single rupee, rather he is putting some money for his treatment. He is called severely injured. The third one is property damage. Whether your vehicle will go and hit another vehicle, or whether your vehicle will go and hit some roadside, the stationary object, either a current pole or a tree or a wall like that, only vehicle gets damaged. Some headlamps may be broken, or the windshield may be broken. There may be some lack of this one disturbance may be there on the outer surface of the vehicles. Dents may be there on the outer surface, such that the particular repair work may be done in the body shop by climbing the insurance like that. But either the passenger or driver is not injured, such accidents are called property damage only. This road disaster enhances a lot in the safety of the road users. When I am sitting in the bench toward morning to evening, even I am not going out of my house, what is the probability of getting involved in an accident? What is the probability or what the chance of getting involved in an accident? is no accident. When we start moving on the road, as a driver or as a passenger or as a pedestrian who is walking on the road, chances are more. If these road geometries are not properly designed, not proper stake or ground and constructed, a particular accident may be rose into higher magnitude or higher severity such that a serious injury accident may be converted into fatal accident. A property damage accident may be converted into serious injury or maybe into fatal accident. I think you might have observed quite many such type of driving curves. Some spots may be accident-prone spots. You and me don't know what are the reasons why here the accident